Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your teacher Ms. Gohar and once again I welcome you all in the virtual learning program. Dear students, as you know that we have already learned about letter K and O. Now it's the time for introduction of letter A. Dear students, as you know that we have done page number 10, 11, 12 and 13 in book about letter O. Now it's time to introduce letter A according to the book. This is letter A. A for aeroplane, A for ambulance, A for alligator and A for X and A for apple. Now my dear students, take a color or crayon of red color and fill the colors. Firstly, you have to fill the colors at the corners like this. Because when we make the corner first, our coloring and any object looks it very neat and clean and make it beautiful. Do the coloring in the corners first like this, slowly. The colors should be inside the object. Apple के अंदर color रहे and then fill the color slowly like this. Then what you are going to do on the next page, as you can see there are lots of A and O's. The directions are find all A's and add leaves on them to make apples. Then take a pencil and make a slash like this. Look, you have to make a slash, upside curve, downside curve, it become leaf. Put a slash, upside curve, downside curve is become a leaf. Slash, upside curve, downside curve, it become leaf. Then what you are going to do, take a green color and fill inside the leaf so it will look more neat and clean and beautiful. These all are A's. Now take a pencil and start tracing on letter K. Put all the curves like this and trace all the standing lines. Again, make a curve like K and standing line like A. Now dear students, this page number 16 is your home task. Take care everyone. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.